I'm gonna turn these foam balls into lemons. I'm also gonna be using some of this yellow acrylic paint. And to make the painting job easier for me, I went ahead and I inserted some toothpicks into the foam balls. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. And this is how my lemon is looking so far. I will be painting these two as well. Now from these wildflowers, I will be using the green leaves from them only. So I'm going to take my scissors and poke a hole on my foam ball, and then I'm going to hot glue the green leaves into it. And this is how my lemon turned out, and I'll do the same thing to the other two. You're probably wondering, where is she going to use these lemons? Well, let me give you a hint. I'm going to use this pizza pan and add my lemons there for a home decor. Now for this DIY, I am going to be using some of this yellow vinyl and also some white from Dollar Tree. So I started off by painting my pizza pan in the color white, and I used some Waverly chalk paint. Next, I moved in with this yellow acrylic paint because where I'm going with this is I want to create a lemon slice. So what I'm doing here is just now painting around the rim with this yellow color. Now to create the inside of the lemon, I went ahead and I used this yellow vinyl. I created this on my Cricut, but basically all I did is just create some pizza slices, you would say, and just went around in a circle, and this is what I came up with. And now I just went ahead and I applied it to the inside of my pizza pan. Next, I created the seeds with this white vinyl paper. Next, I applied them directly on top of the yellow paper. And this is how my lemon slice is looking so far. The Crafter Square collection has these metal wording, and I really like this one that says welcome, and I was thinking on applying it to the middle of my lemon slice, but I decided to go ahead and go with this hello decal that I created also with some black vinyl. I cut a piece off of a pool noodle, and what I'm going to do is hot glue it to the top of my pizza pan. It'll serve as a base where I'll be adding all my greenery. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this short video. You have yourself a blessed day, and until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.